Hi guys, my name is Anna Alvarez. I'm a realtor in Sacramento, California, and today I'm going to show you guys what you can get for $769,000. Check it out. So here we have the living room. I love the open concept. I love the high ceilings. There's a lot of natural light coming in, but there's still a lot of lighting, which I like, especially for pictures. And this electric fireplace is everything. It's already turned on, super cozy vibes. And here we have the kitchen. I love all the white cabinets with the black handles, all the black light fixtures, just ties everything together. We have an electric stove with quartz countertops, all stainless steel appliances, huge sinks, which I love. And here we have the dining area. It's all connected with the kitchen and the living room. This is an entertainer's dream. I feel like this is the perfect family house. You can be in the kitchen cooking, having your husband on the couch, chilling, watching TV, your kids eating. And here we have a family room, which you can use as a second living room, a playroom, a game room, a man cave. Like, the possibilities are endless. And here we have a wood burning fireplace. And here we have the sliding glass door, which goes into the backyard, and we'll check that out at the end of the video. We have some storage space in here, and then we have the laundry area, which I love that it's downstairs. That way, if you're in the kitchen and the living room with the rest of your family, you're doing laundry. And here we have the half bath, which is downstairs. And this house does have a 2-car garage. What I really like about this garage, not only can you fit 2 of your cars, it's also been finished. A lot of garages are always left open, and this one, it's been insulated. It has the drywall and the texture. I love this light gray hardwood floors. I just feel like it matches really good with all the interior decorations that we have in this house. And if you guys can also see, it also matches the top of the fireplace and the top of the stove. It just ties it all in together. And now I'm going to show you guys upstairs. And right when you come in from the stairs, you have your primary bedroom. Really spacious. I love how you can fit your large bed and still have a lot of space around it. Pretty large window, and you're pretty high up that if you just wanted to leave it open with no curtains, you can do that and still have some privacy. And now we're walking in to the bathroom. I love the light gray floors, the shower, and the best part, the walk-in closet, where you can fit all your stuff, his and her side. And here we have some more storage space. So if you want to put all your blankets, sheets, some more storage space on this side. Lots of storage in this house. And now we'll move on to the 3 other bedrooms. And here's bedroom number 2. And on to bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. And here we have the bathroom upstairs. I love the double sinks, the light gray tile floors, and the shower. And now let's check out the backyard. And I love the design of these stairs. This is super modern. And here we have the backyard, super cute porch. And I love that you have a mixture of everything. So if you have pets, kids, you have grass area, and then you have the cement concrete right here. Thank you guys for checking out my video. Once again, my name is Ana Alvarez, bilingual in Spanish, and I service the greater Sacramento area. See you guys at the next video. Bye.